Hey there, my friend. It's Will here over at fxace.com. First of all, big congratulations to clicking through and deciding to access my first ever ebook on a simple 5-step strategy and how I trade and how you can trade the forex markets and travel, and it gives you the freedom to travel the world. So this video is I've got a very special bonus for you. Now listen carefully. Now the bonus only applies if you click the button to download from Amazon. If you decide not to download from Amazon, you just click here and just download the ebook, and you won't receive what I'm about to show you, the bonus indicator. So what I'm going to give you today, if you download from Amazon and leave a review of the ebook on Amazon, what I'm going to give you is my custom built trend change and trend strength indicator. Now this is it here. What it is custom built, and it basically, the bars start to change color as trend is changing. They stay, as you can see here, they stay green as it's a strong trend. They stay green. When they start to turn red, it's the trend's starting to weaken, and vice versa. You can see we had a nice downtrend, starts to turn green, then price rallies up. See here, starts to turn red, goes up, then price goes down. Again, green, starts to go red, then price goes down. Again here, green goes red, goes green, then price goes up. So this is what I'm going to give you today. If you decide to head over to the Amazon link, click this link here and download the book from Amazon. It's available free on Kindle. Leave a review, then simply email me at will@fxace.com. So again, will@fxace.com with your receipt from Amazon and your name. So I'll be able to check the review and check your receipt in Amazon, then I'll send you over the indicator. So this is what you'll get today if you access via Amazon. Leave me a review, and hope you thoroughly enjoy the book. Thanks for watching. If you decide not to access from Amazon, simply just click here and you'll get a zip file sent to your inbox. Or sorry, you'll get a zip file to download straight away to access the book. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy the book. I'm really excited to see the kind of results you achieve and become a successful forex trader. Will here at the FX Ace. Speak soon.